Welcome to a new tutorial. Today I show you how to create a chain link with rigged body physics and collision with another object. At first delete the cube and add a new object. We need a torus. And on top view, go to wireframe mode and in edit mode and select the half part of this torus, like that. And then we separate this part with Y along the Y axis, you see. Then activate the snapping. Just move it a little bit more up. Then we select the other part. And let's go down, like that. So. And then we select both edges here around this part and bridge edge loops. Same thing we do here. And bridge edge loops. Now we get a nice chain. Let's go to object mode. And then on object, set origin and origin to geometry. And with D, we duplicate the chain, rotate it along the x-axis 90 degrees, turn off the snapping, then select both of them, duplicate, and let's build our chain. And when the chain is ready, select everything, go to object, rigged body, and add active. And then we change the shape. Let's go there and go to shape and change it into mesh. And object, rigged body, copy from active. And then select one of the chains outside, use this here, and uncheck the dynamic. And then give it a try. Looks pretty nice. Now we add another object to collide with. Top view and scale it up. And place it here. And when play the animation, see that there is no collision yet. Then we go to object, rigged body, and add passive. Then we change the collision shape into a sphere and give it a try. And you see that it works really nice. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye!